girl. Here's a hiccup. Such a good girl. I love you so much, baby. Tired.